So there is a new airdrop on Satoshi app, and this airdrop is a very short airdrop. Like it will happen within a very short time frame. It's starting on the 2nd of December up to the 15th of December. So it's a short, just about 2 weeks airdrop. But currently, there are some tasks you have to do in order to participate in the whitelist. So it is by participating in this quest that will enable you to be able to get the airdrop when they actually get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to complete the quest, link your wallet, and get whitelisted. That is, participate in the whitelist. So stick with me in this video and let us get into it. Before you begin, the first thing you should do is open up your Play Store and then update your Satoshi app. So once your Satoshi app is updated, you can now proceed with the steps. Now on your Satoshi page, locate this Pell. Look at this Pell logo here. Click on View Details. Then you wait for the page to load up and you get this Get Whitelisted button. So once the button appears, that is what you do. You click on it and this place opens up. Now I've connected my wallet already. That is why my wallet is displaying here. So if your own is not displaying, don't worry. I'll show you how to connect it. But before you connect it, there are some basic and simple tasks you have to complete, and look at it here. So what I simply do is to click on this complete quest, and it will take you to this quest page. So on this place, you simply scroll up and look at, these are all the quests I have to complete. The first one is to get an EVM wallet, which is Metamask, and I'm sure you have it already. Then the second is to now complete your quest. Then the third is to download your Satoshi app, which you have already. So it's just basic, simple thing. Now I'm going to scroll up and show you all the tasks you have to complete. So if you look here, this is quest 1, and then you have quest 2 below. Now, these steps can be complicated only if you do not follow instructions carefully. So make sure you are paying attention to what I do in this video and follow exactly as I do. It is very simple, but it can be complicated if you miss a step. So it is very easy. It looks much, but trust me, it won't take you more than just 10 minutes to complete all of this. If you are doing it for the first time, it will stress you, but like I said, pay attention. Now, moving on to question 1, you need your Discord account. So make sure you've opened a Discord account already. If you have not done so, download the app from Play Store or App Store and sign up. It's pretty simple. So once you're done, you click on that claim button and it will take you to your Discord account here, where all you simply have to do is click on this accept invite button. Once your app opens up, you can either register or log in, and you can see this notification, you've been invited to Pell. If it's showing like that on your screen, then you're on the right page. All I simply have to do now is to log in to my account, since I have an account already. So I have put in my login details already, and this page, I'm just going to look for a way to, skip it. Let me remove it. This is an ad that are displaying on their platform, is what they do. So I'm just going to remove it. And you get this button, accept invite or no thanks. Click on that accept invite and then you wait for this page to load up. And once it's done, they are going to take you to their page here. So you can see you are doing everything successfully. So this one is their notifications, whatever. So I'm just going to head back to the main page they took me to initially. And on this page, you have two options, the welcome and the verification. So this is what the welcome page looks like. Basically, notifications. I'll head back, go to that verification. It's very important. And then I'm going to verify that I'm human so that the server can approve me to do activities on their site. So let's solve this captcha. I'm going to, I didn't see that message clearly. So I'll go back again and let me reload the captcha so they'll give me another text to put. So once you reload and you're sure that you've gotten what you wrote, simply click on solve and then you put in the text you see on the page. If it is capital letter, make sure it is capital letter. If it's small letter, make sure it's small letter. Just basically put in the exact thing you're seeing and then you click on submit. So once you're done, you can see I have been verified to now, do activities on their site. So all I'll simply do now is head back and you can see the menu has increased. Look at, I now have a lot of options. And our main mission on this page is to get 3 testnet tokens. The first is core testnet, the second one is mantle testnet, and the third one is BNB gas. That is our main objective on this page. And to get it, all I simply do is click on this Satoshi. Look at. So you select it from that page and it will take you to this page. So to get the gas, I'll need a simple command and my wallet address. That is my Metamask wallet, of course, since I have Metamask account or wallet already. And look at, these are examples of what people are doing on this page. So it's basically simple. All I have to do now is to head into my MetaMask to go and copy my wallet address. Now, once my MetaMask opens up, all I simply do is copy this first address I'm seeing on the screen there. Don't ask me which address is that. It's an EVM wallet, so it doesn't matter. Just copy that address. Head back to your Discord, and in front of this, look at the command. In front of the command call gas, you click on send, and I've claimed my gas fee for call. So that is basically the simple way to do that. You cannot claim 2 times. If you try to claim 2 times, you get an error message. Although even if I try itself, I can't even see my message because of a lot of people that are requesting on this page. Now, normally you are required to claim only one, call gas, and that is the one I need because that is what I'm going to show you how to use in this video. But then for the sake of others that want to use something like Mantle or BNB, I'm going to claim the three. And it's simple. All you have to do is put in the command for BNB and Mantle. Let me show you how to go about it. So I put in the command, that is the backslash, type in my Mantle and it completes it for me. Then I put my address in front and then send. And that is all. I've gotten this token on my wallet already. I'm going to show you how to view it later on in this video. But note, the tokens have been sent to my wallet, so don't bother about that. Now I'm also going to do the same for BNB gas. So let me just go ahead and type in the command again. But this time around, it's a command for BNB gas. So I'm going to type in BNB gas and look at the complete version. So I just click on it and put in my address. So you can see as I'm doing it, it's basically simple. If you follow the steps, you will not encounter any issue. I can guarantee you that, as long as your internet connection is also strong. So I've claimed the 3 gas and we are done with that first step or the first part of this quest. Now we'll head into the second quest. This one too is simple. All you have to do is to click on the claim button and it will take you to this page. Look at core chain Faucets. And the first thing you want to do is to check in this I'm not a robot, and you simply paste in your wallet address. Remember, we're using same wallet address for all, that your MetaMask wallet. Then once you're done, you click on this get core, that is testnet core. So once you click on that get testnet core, you allow the page to load up and you can see funded success in transaction. So I am done with that page. I've added my T core successfully. So if I should head back to my Satoshi app once again, and let me use the back menu on this page. All right, so I'm done with that number 2, and it's basically the same for number 3 also, just that in this number 3 what you are claiming is testnet BNB, not core any longer. But this one is a bit complicated. I'll need 0.002 BNB for me to be able to complete this step. I need main gas fee, that is BNB. And I don't think I'm going to be doing that. 0.002 BNB is much. And even in the fourth step again, I'm still going to be needing 0.001 ETH, Ethereum, to complete it. So basically like that. Maybe I'll do it later. I don't know as of now, but I don't think it's really necessary. So you can skip it, and if you think you have the money, you can do it. Besides, completing all of this will guarantee that you get more tokens ahead of others. So that is just basically the way. I'm going to go back from this page and exit. So you see, my request didn't go through because I do not have the gas fee, just like I've said. So let's just exit this page. And the fourth part is where they ask me to claim Mantle. And to claim that Mantle, I'll be needing ETH, 0.001 ETH, also just like BNB. So if you open up the page, it's basically the same thing. But no need of wasting our time here. Let me scroll back and show you how to complete the other steps. Now, this is quest 2, and this quest 2 is very important. How well you do this quest 2 will determine the amount of tokens you are going to be getting. And it can be complicated if you do not follow the steps. So here is where the business gets started. Now, all you simply have to do is, first of all, click on this claim button in front of it. Once the page opens up, you basically accept this, their terms of services, and then just make sure you check in these 2 boxes and then you agree and continue. Now, on this page, I need to connect my wallet, my MetaMask wallet to be specific, before I can proceed. But as you can see, I'm clicking on MetaMask and nothing seems to be working. This is because this site is opening in Chrome browser, so Chrome cannot access this. If you want to do it successfully, make sure you're using Kiwi browser, or you can do like me as I'll do in this video. I'm going to be using my MetaMask app. So what I'll do now is I'll copy the link from this page. So let me look for a way to copy it. Once I copy it, I'll go into my MetaMask browser. I'll be using the dApps browser in my MetaMask to complete this step. But note, you can use your Kiwi browser. All you simply have to do is import your seed phrase, your MetaMask seed phrase into your Kiwi, and then you can complete that steps. Now let's head into my MetaMask. And on this page, I select the fourth option below my screen, which is where I'm going to be using to go to my MetaMask browser. So once it opens up, you simply click on the search icon below your screen. Don't mind this page, it's because I've used it to access it already. This is not how it will look like for you. So when I click on the search, click on that cancel to remove that former link, then I'm just going to be opening this here. Once it opens up, you presented this page again whereby you have to accept these terms of service again and agree and continue. And we are now on the page. So I click on that connect wallet, use my MetaMask, and this time around you can see it's working. So I have connected my MetaMask, and let me click on that confirm button. Then I'm going to be switching network. So just click on got it, and my network has been switched. So this is the page where they are going to take you to, and it's good. So as I head into my MetaMask wallet, you can see this is my T core and my balance has reflected. Remember, this is the balance I claimed from my Discord. Heading back to this page, I can choose to either use my core testnet or I can switch to another like BNB testnet or Mantle. Let me switch to BNB and show you the other gases that we claimed on Discord. So I'll switch to BNB and head into my wallet. You can see testnet BNB and my balance is 0.0024. So it's pretty simple. If I head back there and switch to my Mantle network, it's the same time I'm going to be seeing my Mantle bonus. But now let me switch back to core testnet and let's complete this page. So you can see now on this page, I'll simply I'm going to be using WBTC to do this. So I'll scroll to the right, select this Faucets. For the amount, you type in 0.01 and then you click on Faucet BTC. So you wait for the confirmation and the transaction to be successful. So as you can see, as I'm doing it, it's pretty easy as long as you follow the steps. So I'm going to click on this confirm to confirm this transaction in my MetaMask. Take time to load, but once it's done, you're going to get this message, and that is basically it. So we are done with this. And remember, how much you do this will depend on how much tokens you're going to be getting. That simply means that I can redo this step over and over again. If you go to the page now and you can see they say the more chains you complete, the more Pell airdrops points you earn. So I'll have repeat the step again, but for the sake of the length of this video, I won't be doing that. So we're going to simply move to the next part. And as you can see, my testnet core balance has reduced because of that transactions we just did. So our advice, do this step as much as possible. And then once your testnet core exhausts, you can switch to BNB chain since you claim the 3 tokens. You do the step again and you do till you exhaust that, and then you do for your mantle. So with that, we are now done with this page. Now let's head to the next step, and the next step is to restake your tokens. So head back into your MetaMask, and this toggle menu, you open it and select this restake button. So as you click on it, it will take you to this page. And since my favorite is core, I'm going to be switching to this core testnet. And I'll be using the token we just used just now. We use WBTC. So I'll scroll up and look for WBTC. Look at it here. So I click on restake now, and you can see my amount is 0.02. So I'm going to go ahead and click on max because I want to be staking all of it. And remember, all of these steps are very necessary. So I click on approve and then wait for the transaction to complete. So I'm going to approve this in my MetaMask for it to be successful. And once you're done, you get this notification. You can view this transaction on chain. So that is that about that. We're done with this, and we can also do the same for BNB and Mantle, just like I've said, but I'm not going to be showing all of that for the sake of the length of this video. But this first one, you should understand. You can also on stake, you can withdraw your stake. So let's say, for instance, I will come back tomorrow to see how much this stake has claimed for me, and then I can withdraw, or I can also use the unstake button to unstake. So that is that about that. The next thing now is to delegate your tokens. So let me show you how to do the delegation. Heading back to this page in your MetaMask, select the menu option once again. This time around, you click on this operator. So once you click on the operator, it will take you to this page. So you see what I did, operator, that is what I selected, and that is how I got to this page. For this delegation, you can select any tokens from this page. Look at it. But as for me, I'm going to be using 0. So once I select on my 0, you take it to this page and look at the interface. This page is not displaying fully because I'm not doing this on a desktop or on a system. But then this is the full page. So you can scroll to the left or you can scroll to the right. But here we're going to be scrolling to the bottom. That is where the button we're looking for can be found. So basically, you take your time and read this their text. And once you're done reading, all you simply have to do is accept and then you complete the sign. So after it took a long time to load, I think this page is having a little issue. But then it's not an issue. All I do again is to just simply click on that delegate button again. This time around, it will do a confirmation message again, and this time around I'm clicking on confirm. Remember the first time it was signing, so click on confirm. The transaction has been submitted and you can see all done. I can view this on chain. So it simply means I'm done with these steps, and with that it has brought us to the end of the main part of this video. So we are done with all the complicated steps. What is left now is now the simple steps. That is a simple task to complete. So you scroll up and look for quest 5. This one simply means you follow them on their X account or on their Twitter. So you open the link and it will redirect you to your Twitter. But as for me, my Twitter is not opening now because I don't know why. For some reason, my Twitter has been locked out and I need to complete this for it to open. But I won't be doing that in this video. It will take time. So heading back to this page, the next thing is to join Pell Discord. So remember, you have a Discord account already, so it's simple. All you simply do is click on Discord and it will take you to their Discord page where you simply join their group. So now you accept the invite and we are done. So I'll head back to that page again to see what other tasks are still yet to be completed. Look at the last one is to join their mini app. That is their Telegram mini app. So yes, it seems these people have a mini app just like all other Telegram bots we've been doing in the past so far. So let me open it up. So this is how the interface basically looks like. I'm going to make another video to cover fully on how to go about this, but I'm not doing that in this video so that the length will not be too long. But then this is their bot, so you can join. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box of this video so you can also join this their bot. So once you've joined, you're basically done with this step, and I'll head back into my Satoshi app now to complete the other quest. So the last thing to finish this quest is to now submit my wallet address, which is basically easy. All you simply have to do is open up your Metamask, the wallet you'll be using to do the delegation, the swapping, and all of that. So you copy that wallet address and then you come into your Satoshi app, and this is basically it. You open up the token again, and I'm going to paste in my wallet address here. I have mine connected already, so there is no need. And then you click on the confirm and you get this pop-up notification. If you watch up to this extent, you'll be real odogu, like you're really ready to learn some things. So turn on the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and then with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram or WhatsApp channel for